So one of my main problems right now with making YouTube videos is that my lighting setup is pretty abysmal. It's literally a 30-year-old lamp. But yeah, that's why my videos aren't lit very well, is because this abomination over here runs off of a single light bulb, and I think it's 30 years old. I do have a new light coming in next week. I hope it fixes my problem. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pretty upset. Anyways, hey guys, this is JRP Sun from JG Games. Welcome to VGSS episode 5. And today I'm gonna be talking about what we did in the last week and why this episode is called Crossroads. I'm gonna try to explain both of those as briefly as I can. First thing is, why is this episode called Crossroads? I mean, everything seems to be going great so far. The main problem right now is that there are so many decisions that I have to make as far as what I want to do for the game that will impact other things in the game. Like if I make one decision, then that decision might impact another aspect of it. And one of those decisions is with regard to the player movement and enemy AI, because I want them to move similarly. So right now, my enemy moves any direction he wants to, but my player can only move up, down, left, or right, which is pretty counterintuitive because mathematically the enemy can always get to the player faster, which could be a really cool aspect in the game if you guys think it would be, but right now I just don't think that it's that cool, and I'd rather it be more even and more fair. So that's basically what I've been doing for the past week and a half. I got my wisdom teeth out Thursday, so my mouth is still sore. So I haven't really been able to work as hard as I have been in the past couple weeks. But also, I think I've gotten some ground covered. Because personally, I think these are conversations that I do need to be having. Is the character going to be able to move in the same way that the enemy is going to be? Conversations like these drive games. And because I am currently at this crossroads in my thoughts, I haven't really done much this week. So right now, all I've done is I've just changed the player movement script to where he can move diagonally. That's really all I've done, because that is the easy fix to making my nav mesh move in the same direction as the player. Another conversation that I've been having is with regards to the player attack system, because we currently have a player attack system. I don't know if I talked about this in the last one, but we currently have made a player attack system where we have a weapon that moves from one side to the other, but the problem is getting it to recognize input. So right now it's looking like the weapon will just have like a 360-degree impact around the object, because right now that's the easiest thing to do. But later down the line, as the scripts get more complicated, I might go in and add something where it's directional. So like he can only swing the sword this way, and he doesn't spin around every time he swings the sword. Oh, and we added a pause menu. That was really the only thing I got around to adding, but hopefully I'll have some more stuff to add in for the next video. So about right now is when I would show some footage from our game just to show what we've been doing, but as you can see, we have a compiler error in the corner, which is preventing Unity from launching, so I can't select anything in game. It's a really weird bug. I'm gonna try uninstalling Unity and reinstalling it, see if that changes anything, but honestly, this was working last night. I don't know why it's not working today. Right now, I've been working on drawing out the map. I'm gonna show some footage of that next week, hopefully. And then, oddly enough, I've been thinking a lot about music this week. I've been thinking a lot about what kind of music is going to be in the game, and I think I've decided that I'm gonna go for a chill rock and roll style, if that makes any sense. Now, one thing is I am not musically talented, so I have a friend who actually has a band, so I might pay his band to help me make the soundtrack for this game because I am not musically talented. The next episode of VGSS will probably be more modeling than it will be scripting, because now I'm starting to get into actually making stuff. It'll be some pretty basic modeling just so that our player can walk around in an actual environment and not walk around just on a plane where there's no depth or anything like that. Because right now this art style doesn't really make much sense, but I promise it will make sense as soon as I start adding in environmental elements. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video sucked, then you know what to do, but if it didn't, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as our community Discord server. All of those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.